and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a halter dress. So if you want to learn how to make it, keep on watching. You will need 2 pieces of fabric that measure 21 inches wide, which is your shoulder length, and 47 inches long, which is your desired length. Then find the center of the fabric, then mark it. Then get your desired neckline measurement. Mine was 11 inches. Measure from collarbone down to armpit. Mine was 9 inches, including the 1/2 inch seam allowance. Then mark the fabric. Here I'm just using pins. Now start cutting the fabric where you put the markings. Then it should look like this, and you will have 2 pieces. Here I'm marking the center of the back piece of the dress. And from here I'm going to measure down 8 inches, then mark it. And then on the top, measure 1 inch on both sides to form a triangle. Then you're just going to connect the dots to form a triangle. Then just cut it out. Now get a long strip of fabric that measure 1/2 inch wide. Then place it on the right side of the fabric like so and pin it. It should look like this. Now sew it all the way down to the other end, just on the edge of the fabric. Then just fold it in and top stitch it. Now hem the raw edges on the arm seams. I just did 1/2 inch. By the way, I am using a walking foot since I am using a jersey knit material. Then fold 1 inch for the necktie casing like so for the front and back. And don't forget to backstitch. Now get an elastic about 1/4 inch wide, and you're just going to sew it in your natural waistline. Use a zigzag stitch, then stretch the elastic as you sew but not the fabric. Then you would trim the excess elastic off. And of course, you will do the same on the back piece. Now pin the fabrics together on the side seams and be sure that the right sides of the fabric are facing each other. Now you're just going to sew it all the way down to the hemline on both sides, of course. Now cut a long strip of fabric that measure 2 inches wide by 41 inches long. This is going to be for the necktie. Then fold it in half and sew along the edge. Then just close the opening here. You can use a pencil or a skewer to turn it right side out. Then you will close the opening as well. Now feed the necktie through the front neck, then through the back neck casing. Now finish the hemline, just fold 1/2 inch once, then sew all the way around. Here I'm just showing you how to adjust the neckline, and you can even wear it backwards. How awesome is that? Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing videos. I will see you soon. Bye!